Okay, if you're serious about off-roading, you got to check out the 2024 Ford Bronco Everglades edition with the Sasquatch package. That means you've got some built-in features that are meant for serious off-roading. First of all, you see right up in front is this built-in winch. This is a 10,000-pound remote-controlled electric winch right here built into the front bumper of this 2024 Ford Everglades. It has a 100-foot synthetic line, so you can pull the vehicle out of muddy terrain or pull others out any way you want it. You've got a built-in winch right there, and it's all remote controlled. Handheld remote control to help you get out or get others out of tricky situations. That's the first thing you see on this 2024 Bronco Everglades. Of course, it's a 4x4 vehicle. It has the GOAT mode, the go over any type of terrain mode. Different variations of four-wheel drive in this 2024 Ford Bronco Everglades edition. The exterior color is really nice. Eruption Forest Green Metallic. Is that a beautiful color? The interior is onyx vinyl seats. In other words, you've got washable seats. So you get muddy, you get dirty, you get dusty, easily washed off seats, easily washed off the foot areas as well as the cargo pad. Very sturdy and durable and washable interior in this 2024 Ford Bronco. The engine is a 2.3 liter four-cylinder, so it's just a straight four-cylinder with that Ford EcoBoost system that really gives you extra power, 300 horsepower out of this 2.3 liter four-cylinder EcoBoost engine with 325 pound-foot of torque. So this is a surprisingly powerful vehicle with a surprisingly small engine. Very efficient and very powerful. Check out this integrated snorkel. I didn't see it at first, but it's on the passenger side. It helps get air into the engine when you might be in a dusty or a water or even a snowy condition. You get all the air you need coming in here, and it's swappable. So you could determine how much air and where you want it to come from to get into the engine. That and the built-in winch, and you know you've got a powerful off-road machine. So you've got the unique squared front and wheel arches with matching Sasquatch fender flares that pop out, that really give you some extra protection and an extra cool look for off-roading. Very powerful looking, very sturdy, and very fun to drive. In fact, you've got huge wheels that really give you a lot of grip. And we've been getting a lot of rain here in the Northern California area, these atmospheric rivers. And I've had no issues driving through rough, windy conditions. This Ford Bronco is no baby. This is a big boy, and it handles whatever it comes across. Very, very nice. Now there's a removable roof that removes in panels. I didn't take it off because it's so cold. Didn't want to go roofless. I do notice that it sort of acts like a convertible almost, because when I'm driving on the freeway, I do hear some rattling, but so it's not a super quiet interior, but a lot of extras in this interior of the Ford Bronco. You've got 6 auxiliary switches, so you could hook up whatever aftermarket lights you want to put on it. You might want to put on some extra cameras because it doesn't come with what you would expect, like trail cameras. There's no front camera that I could find. There's just a rear backup camera. So I'd like to have maybe a front camera to be able to see what's in front of you. Make sure you're not hitting any stumps or rocks or parking bumpers in the parking lot. But so it does have some attributes interior that really make it cool for off-roading. Interior wise, you also have what I said, those easy to clean standard marine grade vinyl seats and rubberized washout flooring, so you've got an easy way to get things clean again after you've been out for a weekend of off-roading. Interior wise, you've got that 12-inch Sync 4 system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I did enjoy the one-touch driver and passenger windows, one touch up, one touch down. You got the 60-40 split rear seats in the back. You've got a fold-down armrest to keep the grandchildren at bay. In the rear seat, lots of room. They were very happy with the room in the back seat of this Ford Bronco. You've got the side opening rear tailgate with window that flips up, so you've got a lot of easy access to everything that's in the rear of this big old SUV. And you also have that rear mounted full-size spare tire to help whenever you might have trouble out on the trails. Nice to have that. So fuel mileage for this 2024 Ford Bronco Everglades Edition, the 4-cylinder that produces 300 horsepower, gets about 18 miles per gallon in city driving, 17 miles per gallon on the highway. So you average out to a combined 18 miles per gallon. I averaged about 16 miles in my weeks driving, city and highway, no off-roading, this week in the Ford Bronco. Base price for the 2024 Ford Bronco Everglades Edition is $55,730. There's very few options in this because that Sasquatch package gives you everything you need. So total, as tested, $57,775 for a serious off-roading machine. The 2024 Ford Bronco's Everglades Edition with the Sasquatch package. It is built to handle off-roading like you've never seen before. Check it out. Now you got this unique squared front end and rear wheel arches. These fenders pop out as well, so you've got lots of fender flares.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you.